welcome to the showcase.
Hello, today I'm New Epic special host. I'm Joan, and our guest today is Akif Filmansyah from Indonesia. Hello, Akif.
Hello guys, how are you doing?
Okay, let me talk about a little bit of Akif. Akif has been made into household names within the lowbrow art and toy culture scenes. His works has been well known in the USA and Southeast Asia regional. Okay, here is the man again. Yeah. Hello, Akif. How are you?
Oh, I'm good.
You sure you're good?
I'm good.
How good are you?
I'm glad to be here.
Very good.
I'm good.
Okay, right. So enjoying the KL scene so far.
Of course, I'm enjoying KL. It's been 2 years I haven't been here.
Oh, okay, all right. Okay, Akif. Why you name yourself Akif Filmansyah?
Actually, Arkiv is my alter ego, so it just came from my nephew. His name is Fikra. So I remember one day when he went back from school and tell his mom to change his name to Arkiv because he thinks it doesn't cool anymore. That's how it started. So anyway, my real name is Filmansyah.
Yeah, okay, cool. Alrighty. Would like to ask a few questions. Yeah, is it okay with you?
Sure.
Okay. Tell us a little bit about your background, Akif.
Actually, I'm a painter and also a toy designer. I graduated as an architect in 2005. To be frankly, architect is not my word after all the things that I've done. I decided to be a painter, and this is what I wanted to do with my life.
Who are your main inspiration?
Well, Mickey, Looney Tunes has always haunted me since I was a kid, and basically my work's based as a cartoon characters, right? So I've always wanted to create and do something with my own character. My big influences always come from my daily life, music, environment, things great to see, and also cool stuff.
Will you get any influences from Barbie doll?
I don't think so.
Barbie doll. All right. So how do you keep yourself motivated?
I could say that everything started from black and white.
Okay.
As soon as I made my drawing, I will quickly make it happen into a canvas. So that's why I motivated myself. As a painter, beside that, I have to keep trimming and put aside all the things in life, and I will keep going.
Okay. Do you have any new projects coming up that would like to share with us, Akif?
Yes, sure. I have a new exhibition coming in Paris, Taipei next year. A few commission works
That's
for a
great.
design studio in LA. Hopefully, I will not stop spreading my work out there, and also new toys coming out. Be sure to check out and stay tuned.
Tell us what's the latest happening design scene in Indonesia.
Well, I know that a lot of good and talented artists from Indonesia, graphic designers, illustrators, and also an artist. So there are certain places that a lot of good artists coming from, like Jakarta, from Yogyakarta, and also Bandung. Well, I'm from Bandung in a way.
Okay. All right. Any advice for the upcoming young designers who like to embark into like what you're doing right now?
Okay, if you have a dream, just make it happen. I would say that just keep the dream alive.
All right. Remember, keep the dream alive. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what are we gonna see in the Kuala Lumpur exhibition?
Well, there will be a lot of paintings to see, a special colorway from for Malaysia edition, and also sculptures, and actually great stuff awaits you, of course.
Okay. Okay. All right. Come visit Akif exhibition on the 23rd November at White Box Publica. See you soon.
See you guys. Bye bye.
Bye. Who are your inspiration?
Cartoons. What?
It's okay.
Of course, I'm enjoying it.